Hey you guys, I'm back. Today I'm in the inside because that wind out there is whipping. The news said the gust is up to 35 miles per hour. And it's 38 degrees, so it probably feel like it's 20 outside. You don't see nobody walking. And I was sitting here, I was drinking my coffee. Uh-oh, somebody on a bicycle. I was sitting here drinking my coffee, and I'm hearing debris hit the window and house creeping and popping. And I looked out there, just paper and everything was flying everywhere. And then this tree right here, you see how it leans? But it's leaning the opposite way. And usually I would get up and take a walk, especially when I'm on my break from work. Get up and take a walk, but I took a pause this morning because the weather is so cold, and it's like you fighting against the wind, and it makes you out of breath. So I just took a pause, as I usually walk down to that park area down there. And sometimes people be down there playing tennis, particularly in the warmer months. They be playing tennis. Sometimes I go down there and let me see, can I maybe focus a little bit better, and play tennis and watch them play tennis and everything. So, but that wind now is just a no for me. I see a lady, she got a box, you guys. Y'all see that? And all that wind. That box will have you like Mary Poppins out there. Once that wind, look at her. Let me get out this window. This lady probably see me out this window. But let me show y'all this baby here. She's asleep. That's why I'm talking low, you guys, because she's asleep. And when she get up, she meowing and crying and doing everything because she want a cat puree. So I let her sleep. And I see, let me see. Okay, I'm sorry about that, you guys. I had got a message. I got a package coming today. I think it's her cat food. Let me see. Is this lady gone? Yeah, she gone. Because I don't want to think that I was filming her and I'm not. So, here we go. Back to the wind. Back to the wind. Okay, you guys. There's somebody else walking. And they got two hands pushing their cart. Let me try to get this phone to focus. Okay, you guys. I'm going to let these seniors do their thing. Try to walk in that wind. So, I thank you guys for watching. And I'm finna ease back over here and drink my coffee. I thank you guys, and I will be back with another video. Bye-bye now. She's snoring, y'all.